Cheap car parts make me happy. I think they kind of make all of us happy, right? I guess unless you get the really cheap ones and then they don't work or they don't fit. But today, I want to talk about some of the car parts that you can install that are a good time and not a bad time. So I ordered some of these Aerowolf window visors. Shout out to Randy from Eliminate, because I went over there and hung out with those guys, and on his A90 Street Hunter Supra, I saw those on his car and I was like, damn, I'll put a picture up. Boop. I seen these and I was like, I gotta have it. I think that's so cool because the little mods like that, when you stack them, when you get a few of them going, that's what transforms a car. Obviously the big mods are fun too, you know, doing wheels or a big wing or a huge diffuser or something, that's gonna make your car look good too. But there's something about just all the small ones coming together that's like my favorite part of modifying a car. So we're gonna do that today. But first things first, I need some caffeine, and there's this fire boba place that I found that's like, it's like a hidden spot, honestly. It's different. So we're gonna go do that. Now I just gotta decide what we're gonna drive, because we can drive, we either take the Mark IV VR6, the Civic Si, or the Supra. But today I woke up, I said I was gonna film this video, and of course, because I said that, it's rainy as hell out. But that's okay, that's okay. We're gonna drive the Supra, but probably not right now because I just washed it. If you can tell, it's actually kind of clean right now. When you look close, it's dirty. So we'll probably hop in the good old Si, and that'll be our Boba runner. That's what I'm feeling today, the Si. Sorry, Jetta, you get to sit in the rain longer. All right, before we get Boba, I wanted to open these up. Sorry, I kind of hop around all over the place. That's how my brain works. Okay, so I got two different colors because I didn't know which color I wanted to do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna think on it while I go get Boba, and I'll show you guys which colors I got. And then what I'll probably do is, sorry I already opened it, but I'll give the other set away to one of you guys. So comment down below your favorite car of all time. I'll pick one of you randomly to win the set that I don't use. Again, sorry I opened it, but I'll repackage it up. I'm not gonna use it. So what I did is I got red and like this tinted color. The red because obviously it kind of matches the wheels on my Supra, and then the shadow because it's just clean and not too crazy. The one thing you do with modifying cars, if you have a loud color on a neutral color car, you gotta take it easy. You can't go too crazy and have colors flying everywhere. Otherwise it gets to be a little bit too much. You gotta keep it subtle. But I thought maybe that these are small enough that it might be okay. Let's take a look. I'll kind of mock them up on the car even though my mirrors are folded up right now. All right, I was gonna do it with the mirrors folded up, just say screw it, but let's just unfold them quick. Yeah. Oh yeah, Transformers, robots in disguise. All right, first we'll check out the red and then see how, like, it's a little bit brighter, but these wheels are, we'll wait for the truck to go by. It's a little bit brighter than the wheels, but these wheels are illusion cherry. So in the sun, this is almost like an exact match. Now let's see here. Because what they'll do is they'll kind of go in here, and then what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to shape them to the mirror. You heat them up to kind of warp and contour them to the shape of the mirror itself. So we'll do that. All right, now for the shadow, or the tinted one, I don't know why I keep calling it shadow. That's so much more subtle. That keeps it a lot more low key. I seriously am torn. So we'll think about it on the way to Boba. I like the red and how it pops a little bit, but I like just the stealth and subtleness, kind of like the OEM Plus look of the tinted. Ooh. They also like give you like little Japanese candy. That's cool. I like the stickers that are in there too. You want me, I want you, baby. I don't know why that song's been stuck in my head. Oh, hi there. Fire this bad boy up. It's still a stock exhaust. Yeah, tight squeeze. Woo-hoo-hoo. That way we can fit the Supra in there nice and no door dings. All right, I just started driving and I'm an idiot because I didn't GPS it and I don't remember how to get there. I don't know if you guys are one of those people where I live by the GPS. I fucking GPS to get home from work. That's not true, but basically, I literally need to use the GPS to go everywhere. I'm just navigationally challenged. I hope I'm not the only one. I feel like as a car guy, you're supposed to kind of know your way around, and like, I'm not that guy that's like, oh yeah, you're gonna take 41 north, go east, and then once you hit the south exit, then you take a left on. Dude, I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. I don't remember any of that. I don't know. Just type it in the goddamn GPS. All right, we got it in the GPS, and yeah, leave it to me. I was going the exact opposite way. I've been here like 5 times, and I still don't know the way. It's not even, it's 4 minutes from my house. But first, we gotta hit some boost. Here it is, baby. In here is a bunch of different like restaurants and markets and things like that. But it has one of my favorite slow down speed signs I've ever seen in my life. Easy there, Turbo. Dude, you're speaking my language. I love it. Easy there, Turbo. Got here a little bit early. Anyone still play this? Just me? Alright. Caught a shiny Shadow Blastoise and I'm just stoked. I'm high on life right now. One for me, one for the fiance. Which one's mine? Regular? This one's hers. I gotta shake it first. Oh, hell yeah. It's like cereal milk, but in a drink. I'm fucking spilling all over myself. I can't go anywhere. Damn it. I've had my boba. It's basically gone. I've sat there and I've thought about it extensively, which color I'm gonna go with. And as much as I love the red, I'm going with the tinted. I talked with Maya and I was like, which one? Because I was so torn, I literally couldn't decide. And she's like, well, you should probably do the tinted because you're thinking of changing your wheel color soon. You're right, we're doing the tinted, which means for you guys, if you're interested in a red set of Airwolf visors, I'll give them away for free. Comment down below your favorite car of all time and why, and one of you is gonna get this. Let's get to installing. Install should be extremely simple. These are universal too. They should fit most mirrors. All you have to do is take a heat gun, heat them up real good, and then start bending them to fit the shape of your mirror. Let's get the heat gun out. That usually doesn't end well. Last time I was using a heat gun was on TikTok Live, and I was putting in my paint matched reflectors, and my heat gun blew up on the live stream. Hopefully this one doesn't blow up. That was kind of scary. Oh yeah, they're feeling nice. All right, so let's see where we want them. Do you like blow on it? Like soup? Decent bend near the end, but the rest of it kind of stays flat. Firmly grasp it. It's just a subtle touch. I don't know why I like it so much. I think it's cool. Now obviously it's just aesthetic, but I just think it's cool. It just adds like a little bit of a lip. It goes with this AMS carbon fiber wind deflector. Again, another really small mod that I thoroughly enjoy and makes the car drivable, because if you roll down the windows in the Supra, you get an insane wind buffeting noise. These are dope. They're just subtle. They're cool. And it was so freaking easy to put on. And now we're just gonna repeat right on the other side. It's super easy. All right, let's get to the part you guys really were wondering about. The candy. I'm eating candy from strangers. That's super good. I wish there was a whole pack of those. In America, they put like 50 in a little pouch. But in Japan, they just give you one fruit snack, just singular. So I remembered that I have a haircut today. We're gonna break the whole soup out, even though the road's not really dry yet, but fuck it. Also, check out this new steering wheel from Aza. I absolutely love this with the new paddle shifters on there too. Just the subtle touches of carbon. And then, ooh, we got the new mirror visors, baby. Well, got a haircut, got a beard trim, feeling fresh. I feel like a beard cut and a hair trim is kind of like washing your car, right? Like immediately after, looks really good, really clean, but it's not gonna look like this again. Like tomorrow, I'm gonna be raggedy again. Way she goes, boys. One thing I just realized is I didn't even test the mirror visors, so I gotta do that quick.
Black on black is Armageddon. Left foot man came back a legend. They said don't hit that direction. That's a dead end. If you want it, come and get it.
Yeah, they work pretty good.
Resurrected. They said don't head that direction. That's a dead end.